Hey there, friend. Today we need to find the product of some numbers. Product just means we times two numbers together. Let's do both parts one at a time. Before we start, let's remember some easy rules. When we times a positive number by a negative number, the answer is always negative. And here is a super special rule: any number times 0 is always 0. Okay, let's start with part 3. We need to times 0 by -6. What do you think the answer will be? Remember our magic rule? Any number times 0 is always 0. It doesn't matter if the other number is big or small, positive or negative. If 0 is there, the answer is 0. So the answer to part 3 is 0. That was super easy. Now let's move on to part 4. Now let's look at part 4. We need to times positive 11 by -2. One number is positive and the other is negative, so let's think about what sign our answer will be. Our rule says, positive times negative gives a negative answer. So we already know the answer will have a minus sign in front. Now let's forget the signs for a moment and just times the numbers. 11 times 2 is 22. Easy peasy. Now we put the negative sign back in front of 22. So positive 11 times -2 gives us -22. The answer to part 4 is -22. Great job, you did both parts perfectly. Here are both our answers together. Remember, 0 times anything is always 0. And when signs are different, the answer is always negative. You are a math star.